Hey guys!
It's Crystal.
And Chris, welcome back.
Welcome back, you guys.
So in today's video, what are we doing?
We're gonna be doing an unboxing, you
guys. Oh yeah.
As if you couldn't tell.
Yeah, one of these big things next to us. We got two big boxes right here. Yeah. But before we get into that, if you are new around here, hit that subscribe button. We have so many awesome videos that we've been posting. Yes, summer is off to a fun start. So subscribe, follow us on Instagram and Twitter. All the links are always down below. And yes, give this video a big thumbs up.
Quick shout out to the Rave Box. Yeah. They actually hit us up on Instagram, you guys, and they wanted to hook us up with our very own Rave Box.
Yes, so one for her and one for me.
And also, you guys, quick disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video. You're going to be getting our honest review and opinions on, you know, what's in here.
Yeah.
So I'm so excited.
I can't wait to open them.
I know. We picked these up a few days ago, and we've just been staring at them, dying to open them. But of course, we had to wait till we had time to film this video.
Yes.
But I'm so excited. How do you feel, Ben?
I'm excited. Look, I'm excited because their story is so cool, and we'll tell you guys right now. But festival season is here. Like, for the rave community, this is everything you need right here. I'm so excited. So yes, big shout out to Steve and Janelle. We met them on Saturday. We actually drove out there to pick up our rave boxes, and they were so nice. You guys are awesome. Thank you guys so much.
And the location, you guys, was super nice.
So nice. So we'll show you guys right now. We personally wanted to drive down there and check out their store, and it's an awesome store. They have literally everything you need.
Everything.
Any rave music festival, you name it, they have it. You guys have to check it out.
It's so awesome in there, you guys. They have LED lights everywhere.
The music is bumping.
Yeah. They have a whole candy station where you can make your own candy, which we did that day.
Yeah, so we actually got some clips inside the store, and we want you to hear from them. So here you go, guys.
Yes.
Check it out. So we started the Rave Box we were getting a makeup thing in the mail, like it was called BoxyCharm. So we came up with the idea, like, why don't we do something for the rave community? Hence came the Rave Box, came to life. And so what comes in the Rave Box is a full outfit, accessories, and sometimes you get like LED toys inside it. So it's like a mystery, so you never know what you're getting. So the point of us creating the Rave Box is to buy the Rave Box and you're ready to go to your next festival. Then, because we know there's ravers that go like overboard, but this is like the essentials and you're ready to go. Like you buy it and you're ready to go. That's pretty much why we started the Rave Box. We're like, we gotta create something for the rave community because no one's done it really. They're on our website. Right now we're currently sold out, but we're gonna be dropping more in July. So we tend to drop them every month, if not every other month. They go for 100+ shipping, and then we do have a premium box, which comes with, it's mainly for the females, so to say, because they come with like the rave hats, like the ones I have here, like the extravagant, like out there. Every men's has a hat, because it comes with a regular hat or a bucket hat. It's just for the premium boxes, just come with these hats. Yeah, with the really out there vibes. That's the only difference between the regular Rave Box and the premium. Come into the store, because a lot of this stuff we don't have online, because we like to keep it, you know, exclusive for the store. And then the website is just for our Rave Box, because how we started it, we want to keep it exclusive to that. People really like them, and I mean, we just, in the last month, we've really been blowing up. In the last couple months, everything's starting to open, so we're like really excited. We're getting more exposure. We're meeting a lot more people, so that's, it's good for business and it's good to make friendships. Yeah, exactly. So thank you, Steve. Thank you. But yeah, guys, I mean, that just made the most sense because, like Steve said it, like there's so many boxes, all these other things. Don't you get like a makeup thing every month? I'm
subscribed to a makeup subscription. So as soon as he brought that up, I was like, wait, you're right. There is like a box for like makeup. Now they have like candy. They have one I know for pets. Yeah, it just made the most sense because we go to festivals all the time. Obviously, we haven't been to any, you know, for the past over a year. When you get ready for a festival, you know, we piece everything together. There's a lot that goes into it. There's a lot that goes into it, but it's like if everything is in a box and it's ready for you, it just makes so much sense. Yeah, and especially for like first time, you know, ravers that aren't like really familiar with how to dress and stuff like that. I think this is perfect. Yeah, I agree. I totally agree. Because I remember the first time when we went to our first festival, I had to do my research. I'm like, wait, how do like they normally dress? Like, you know, so I think this is perfect. All right, guys, so we're gonna get to this unboxing. Are you ready? I'm ready. We've been staring at these boxes for days now.
I'm so excited. All right, so let's do this. So the top one is yours, right? Bottom one is mine. All right, here we go. It's time to open these boxes. Go for it. Yeah, go for it. And we do want to mention, they did say that every rave box does come with a full outfit and a hydro pack, which is super important. That's all we know, guys. That's all we know. Put that knife away. Ready?
Yes. Are you?
Yeah. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Whoa.
Oh my god, I see so many goodies in here. Imagine getting one of these like every month.
Damn.
That would be crazy.
Yes, and there's like literally events every month too. Especially now.
It's like Christmas morning.
It is.
Because you don't know what you're like got.
Alright, so first thing, what'd you get? What's yours?
I think we got the same thing.
Yep, we got our hydro packs. Oh, look at these. These are so sick. You guys, you have to stay hydrated.
We actually don't have one.
We don't have any of these. This is perfect. We've been meaning to get one for so long.
Yeah. If you think about it, you do so much dancing.
Yeah, you're dancing, you're on your feet for hours, walking around, and it's like, you gotta stay hydrated. So if you don't know what a hydro pack is, it actually has a little pouch here with a plastic bag that you get to fill with water. You put it on like a backpack, and it does have zippers, so you can like, you know, put stuff in here. There's different compartments. And then it has your little straw here, your little nozzle, so you can drink your water as you go. This is so important.
This one's really sturdy too.
It feels so good. Yeah, so it's like pretty much the same pattern, just different color.
Yeah, I love
it.
Color.
I love yours too. Yeah, I love this one too. Awesome. Yes. All right, what else we got in here?
Oh my god, I don't even know like where to start.
I'm just gonna reach and grab the first thing.
Okay.
I got my own bucket hat. Oh damn. Whoa, look at this pattern. It kind of like.
We saw those at the store, you guys, and we're like, those are so nice. And you said that they're in right now.
Yeah, they are. So like it has like that material that when the light or like the flashlight hits it, you can't really tell. It looks really like.
You said it was like reflective.
Yeah, it's like reflective. It's like a reflective material. That's what it is.
And another thing that stood out to us is that it has CC.
What the? It says CC right there. Like that's the brand. But
that's cool.
It's meant to be. It was meant to be.
It's for Christmas.
This is awesome.
Okay, so I'm next.
Oh my!
I know, I'm like, I don't even know what's like that. Caught my eye right away. Extension.
Yeah, I think it's like
they're so nice. They have a lot of wigs in store, you guys, which caught my eye. So thank you so much for this. I've actually never experimented. Well, actually, I have, but like with the full wig.
Full wig, yeah. I think those are the ones that you braid in, right?
Yeah,
you can braid in there,
so. Yeah,
which is very popular. We see that a lot.
Yeah, but I love this color. It's like a mint green.
Oh, I got a full candy cup. A full candy cup. Wow, nice. It's a strawberry. I love it. Look at that. So if you trade candy, like we said, you guys probably saw in the video, they do have their own candy station or a full candy bar. You can just walk in there and make your own candy bracelet. They got the letters and the colors. But we know a lot of people get really creative. They have the full on, like, I forget, I'm sorry, I don't know what you call them. They have these full cups, they have like the small ones, and they have like the full, like the chains and necklaces, which are so cool.
That one's a pretty big one.
This one's nice. I love this one.
We've traded candy before, but it's always just like
the smaller ones.
The
smaller ones, yeah.
That one's really cool.
And we might make candy again for our next episode, so it's a trade.
This headband, which I love. I think the last time I had one for the last festival, and this girl came up to me and she's like, "I love your headband." And I was like, I don't know. I just gave it to her. She was like so nice.
It was. Yeah. Was that for Escape or EDC?
Escape.
It was Escape?
It was Escape.
I remember that. That's so funny.
So thank you. I actually needed to replace things.
That was nice too.
Yeah, these are so nice.
We got a flashing pacifier. Awesome.
I have one of those too.
Anything that lights up, I think is so cool. You got one of those too? Awesome. Yeah, I love you. I'm running out of room already. I'll put stuff right here on the side.
True. I have some little clips.
Some hair clips?
Yeah, these are very in right now, so.
Oh damn. Check it out. Woo-hoo-hoo. Got some light up goggles. Oh, these are so sick. These are awesome.
Those are awesome.
And they light up because it has a little battery pack right here.
You know those would have looked so good for the last Escape when you were like a devil?
Oh, that's
and
right.
I was an angel?
Yeah, that's so true.
Those colors look so good.
Damn, I can't wait. I'm going to put some batteries on these and like, this is so sick. I love these.
Since you got the glasses, I'm going to show up my
glasses.
These are so cute too.
Wait, I got more glasses too. Look. I got another pair of glasses.
Oh, they're so cute. I love them.
Just in time for a day trip.
Yes. Oh Yeah. Oh, those look really good.
Do they?
Yeah. Alright, so next we have some 3D box me color eyelashes.
And they're colored.
Yeah, I don't think I've ever owned color eyelashes, which is so cool.
So you can match with your outfits?
Yeah, I can match my red glasses.
That's pretty cool. Okay, so we got the gloves.
Ooh.
But these are the lights. These are have to be the lights, right? Premium light. Yep. So the gloves and the lights. Get a little light show. So if you've been to a festival, like you know, if you've been to raves and all that, it's part of it. It's a part of the show, which is really cool.
With your LED glasses.
I know.
And your gloves. I got a red mask. This is a sparkly one. I actually don't own a sparkly one. Oh, it's so cute. I still have a lot more stuff.
Damn, what the
Do you?
No. I got my outfit right here, ready to go.
Okay, cool. So, and then I also have some, I've owned some of these, but I've never actually used them, but I should. These are so cute. I always see girls with them.
Yeah.
They're jewels, like face jewels.
There you go, yeah, face jewels. Yeah. And you stick them on, right? You stick them on?
Yeah, you stick them on. Oh, stud earrings.
Oh, nice. Is it nice?
Yeah.
Pizza, rainbows.
Yeah, these
I
are
love
so
that.
Cute. I hope you guys can see everything that we're showing you.
We'll give you a close-up right now, too.
Yeah.
I think we should give you guys a close-up of
that's a good
everything.
idea. Also some face glitters. These are really good. These are like for your face and then also to like put around your body. Yeah. I love these colors, a blue and a purple. Ooh, a nice keychain.
Those gummy bears?
Yeah, they're so cute.
Love it.
A scrunchie. I love scrunchies, you guys. I have so many. I have like a whole bag of scrunchies, so thank you for adding to the collection. These are awesome.
Is that like a body chain, right?
Yeah, a body chain.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh my god. I'm gonna be styling, babe. At the festivals, I'm gonna be styling. Hold on, babe.
There's more. And there's more.
Okay, I think now this is part of the point. Oh, I have one more. Oh, this is a...
Hand sanitizer?
Yeah,
is that
hand sanitizer.
Oh,
yeah. Oh, like goes with the whole use.
It does. It does.
Definitely gonna need this.
Yeah.
You know, we're still trying to stay safe out there.
And please still use hand sanitizer. It's good for you.
Yeah.
Keep washing those hands, especially when we go back to festivals.
Yeah.
We're gonna be high-fiving everyone, so it's like
Yeah.
high fives here. Yeah, exactly. All right, so we got to our outfits. So it's time to see our outfits.
Yes.
And look, there's no right way, there's no wrong way to dress to a festival. Like we've seen everything.
Yeah.
And this is everyone seems to be comfortable in their own skin at music events, at festivals, and that's the whole point. You know, so there's no right way, there's no wrong way.
I feel like at festivals, everybody dresses the way that they want. I mean, I dress the way that I want. I always, as long as I'm comfortable and, you know, I feel like wear whatever you want, whatever you're comfortable with, you know. And like Chris said earlier, you don't feel judged when you go to a festival. So
it's always just peace, love, unity, respect. It's always good vibes. Let's get into this. Okay.
I'll let you go first.
Oh, damn. Yeah, it's like a baseball jersey, like a baseball one, right? Yeah, like a jersey. Oh, this is nice.
I love that.
I love this. This is so nice.
I
don't think
besides an actual baseball jersey.
Yeah.
So that's really nice.
This is nice. I love this. Nice.
Like
this is nice.
And I like that color too.
And I think it matches with these pants. Woo! These pants are on fire. Literally, look at that.
Literally on fire.
Yeah, you got the flames on the side. Check it out.
And then with your like your LED
my red
glasses.
goggles here. Let's check it out. Let me model for you guys right now. Like, if you see someone dancing with a red baseball tee and flaming pants, mind your own business, all right?
No, it's gonna be this.
This is awesome. Yeah, I love it. This is all you need right here. This is all you need.
Yeah.
Ooh, I like that pattern.
Yeah. This is cute. I don't have a shirt that goes like that. Like just over the shoulder.
Mm-hmm. And we've seen a lot of those too, huh?
Yeah. This pattern is like very fun. I love it. It's nice. And then the matching.
The bottoms.
The matching bottoms.
I like that pattern.
Yeah. Thank you for your support, the Rave Box. That's cool. Of course, pasties.
The pasties.
These are so cute.
Nice.
I love them. And then also the leg garter, which these are kind of like a must most of the time at festivals. I love these. I'm definitely gonna be using these. No, and then
there's more. Like there's more.
And then the matching
like
mesh gloves.
Yeah.
huge bar.
I know. So we do want to say, I mean, yeah, so you can tell, like, you know, it could be as simple as a shirt and pants or shorts, or you can piece your outfit together, you know, so that's usually what it is. So Steve said that the boxes are a hit and they're flying off the shelves. So the June boxes are already sold out.
He said they were already sold
July,
out.
I'm not sure. By the time if you watch this video, they might already be sold out too, you know. So we'll have all the links in the description. You guys definitely have to check out the Rave Box. You know, it's just so nice to support small businesses, local businesses. You know, that's I think that's awesome.
Like this whole thing came from like an idea, from a small idea. And you know, with everything that you do, that's how it starts.
And now they have their own store.
And now they have their own store, you guys.
And another pro tip. It's located in Upland, so we drove over there. So that's headed towards San Bernardino in Vegas. And you know, so if you live like in the LA area or you're anywhere here, you're driving down that way.
Yeah, if you want to like get something last minute.
Last minute, it's on the way to the Nas Event Center. So if you need to make a pit stop because you're missing some stuff, I would say pull over to the Rave Box, their store, and check it out. Again, thank you guys so much. Big shout out to you guys. You guys are amazing.
Yes.
I love all of our stuff.
Yeah, I can't wait to rock all of it. I'm definitely gonna be rocking like a lot of it.
So awesome. So we're celebrating July 4th weekend by going a day trip. We're gonna be there July 3rd on Saturday, and then we're going to Hard at the end of July.
Yeah.
Hard Summer.
So these things are gonna come.
They're gonna come through. So we got more stuff planned, but you guys are gonna have to stay tuned and follow us for that. So again, don't forget to subscribe, like this video. Let us know down below if you guys are going to any festivals as well,
know, you guys.
or if you have any questions. Maybe you've never been and you want some more info. We'd love to share more as much as we can with you guys. Right. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Keep the peace, the love, spread good vibes all around, always. That's all we want to do, and we hope you guys do that too.
Until next time, you guys.
We'll see you guys. Take it easy. Bye.